Can alimony or child support be modified? Attorney Paul Mirabelli explains. Alimony and/or child support can be modified based upon a substantial and permanent change of circumstances. The court will analyze the following factors: reason for loss of income, payer's documented efforts to replace employment or pursue an alternate occupation, payer's good faith effort to find employment at any level or field, payer's income, payer's circumstances, and payer's efforts to obtain employment in light of those circumstances and existing opportunities, payer's health and how it affects ability to obtain employment, severance awards in connection with loss of employment, changes in the respective financial circumstances of the parties that have occurred since the date of the order which modification is sought, reasons for the change in financial circumstances, including extent to which the change is attributable to enhanced earnings or financial benefits received since the date of the order, whether a temporary remedy should be entered contingent upon terms which can include continued effort to regain employment by the payer, any other factor that the court deems fair and equitable. As a trusted bankruptcy lawyer, family lawyer, and divorce lawyer, Paul is here for all your legal needs. Your case gets our complete attention at every stage, and we work diligently to help you get the positive outcome you deserve. Call now for a personalized case evaluation or visit his website at www.paulmirabellilaw.com.